Hello and welcome to this yoga class up here on the mountain. I am going to lead you through a class where we're going to really focus on waking up the body for the day ahead. Go through a few different motions of the spine, and the aim is to feel a bit more awake and alert. So come to start on our knees. You can have your right hand in your left hand and sit up nice and tall. You can roll your shoulders back and down. And feel the space in between your ears and your shoulders. So you can close your eyes. Imagine a thread pulling the crown of your head so you're a little bit taller. You can become aware of your breath moving through the body. And as you breathe, feel the sides of the ribs, the backs of the ribs, the whole rib cage expanding. And the whole rib cage calming back down as you exhale. We'll do one more big breath like that. Inhale, whole rib cage moving out. And whole rib cage moving back in. Inhale, sweep your hands overhead. And exhale, hands to your side. Again, inhale, sweep high. And this time we'll hold on to opposite elbow, sit tall. Exhale, side bend over to the right. Inhale here. And then a little bit deeper. Inhale back to center. Side bend over to the left. Inhale here. Exhale a little deeper. Back to center, reach tall. And exhale, we'll twist over to the right. Bring your left hand to your right shoulder, right hand reaching behind you. Back to center, reach high. And then other side, right hand to left shoulder, left hand reaches behind you. Come back to center. And this time we'll place both hands in front of us on the mat. You can tuck your toes and push back to a downward facing dog. Maybe you want to pedal out one foot at a time. We'll look to the front of the mat and take small steps all the way to the front. Keep your knees bent. You can hold opposite elbows, ragdoll. Head be heavy. Sway side to side. And slowly roll all the way up to standing. Reach your hands overhead. Little back bend. And exhale, hands to your side. Again, sweep tall, inhale. And we'll continue with this twist. Left hand this time, right shoulder, right hand behind us. So twisting our whole spine this time. Inhale, back to center. And other side, right hand, left shoulder, left hand behind us. Back to center, reach tall. And exhale, bend your knees, fold forward. Inhale, rise back up to stand, half sun salutation. Exhale, bend your knees, ribs to thighs, release down. Inhale, rise back up. We'll do one more. Exhale, bend, fold forward. Inhale, reach tall. And exhale, hands to heart. From here, we'll take a big step back with our left foot. So we're in a lunge position. Bending through your front knee and reaching your hands overhead. Breathe here. And we'll release our front leg so you can release your hands to the floor. And then bending your front knee, bracing your core, rising back up. Very nice. Straighten your front leg, hands to your waist. Then we'll turn all the way to the other side, coming into our high lunge. Bend your front knee, reach tall. Straighten your front leg, release your hands to the mat. And big brace of your core, rise back up, brace, front knee bent. Then we'll turn, bring your front leg straight, turn to the long edge of the mat. So our feet are parallel, hands to waist. Inhale, stand tall. Exhale, fold forward. Release your head down. Inhale, halfway lift, hands to your waist, and exhale, rising all the way back up to stand. You can interlace your fingers behind you, and exhale, fold forward. Let your head be heavy, whole upper body heavy, sinking down. Release your hands to the mat, turn again to the front of your mat, so your right foot is forward, and we'll step up to a forward fold. Swaying side to side, release your lower back. And inhale, rise all the way up to stand, hands reach overhead. Little back bend, interlace your fingers, hips forward, and exhale, hands into heart. Inhale, hands sweep overhead. Exhale, fold. Release your hands to the mat, step back into a plank. We'll lower our knees, come to sit back up on our knees, close your eyes, right hand in your left hand. Sit up tall. Few deep breaths here. Feel any changes, any shifts in the body now we've moved a bit. Feel the prana circling through your body. Blinking open your eyes if they were closed. Hands to heart center. We'll take a nice deep breath in through the nose. Deep exhale through the mouth. And start to bow down towards yourself. Thanking yourself for this short practice. Namaste. Thanks for joining me here on the mat this morning out in the mountains. I hope you're feeling a bit more ready for the day ahead, and I'll see you another time soon.